Hey guys, in this video we are going to take a look at this question right here. And the question is asking evaluate each expression without using a calculator. Now let's see each of them. The first question is asking if we have minus 3 power 4, what will be the value? So here the main thing is the bracket. If it's a bracket, it means the minus also included, minus and 3 in the bracket, so all are included. Everything is going to be multiplied. So this is going to be minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3. Whenever minus have even numbers multiplication, it's going to become positive. You can also separate this one by 2 as well, like minus 3 times minus 3 is going to be a positive 9. And then again this minus 3 times minus 3, which is positive 9 again, which will give us 81 for this. Okay, let's look at the B part. In the B part, we have minus 3 power 4. Okay, in this one we don't have a bracket, which means it's only the number is times 4, the negative only once. So this is going to be negative, and then in the bracket we are going to have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And if we calculate that, this is going to be negative, and it's going to be same as above, but only thing is we only have 3 right now, so this is going to be 81 here. So this is equal to negative 81. And the third one, C part, we have 3 power minus 4. Okay, if we have minus 4 in the numerator, if we put it in the denominator, that's gonna become positive 4. So we know that 3 power 4 is equal to 81. So this is 1 over 81. Okay, if you look at the D part, in the D part we have 5 power 23, and in the denominator we have 5 power 21. And when we have powers in the numerator and the denominator, when we divide two numbers, the powers will subtract. If you multiply, that will add. If you divide, that will subtract. So this is equivalent to 5 power 23 minus 21. Okay, and if you calculate that, that's going to be 5 power 2. 5 power 2 is 25. Okay, let's look at the E part. In the E part, we have 2 over 3, and then power minus 2. And whenever we have power minus 2, if you flip it, that's going to be positive. So if we put 3 over 2, that's going to be positive over 2. And we know which is nothing but each of them is squared, which is 3 square over 2 square. And 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. Okay, let's look at the F part. In the F part, we have 16 power minus 3 by 4. And when we have power, it's in negative, which means if we put it in the denominator, that's going to be positive. So this is equal to 1 over 16 power 3 by 4. And by looking at this, I can see that this 16 is nothing but 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 here. And then here we have 3 over 4. And this 4 multiplied by this, because when you have power, like if you power this one, power to the power, that will multiply. So this will multiply, and then actually not power to the power, like when you put this in the power, the power is going to multiply with this one, and when you multiply this 4 and 4 cancels, then you're going to get 1 over 2 power 3, and then this is going to be 1 over 8. 2 power 3 is 8, so 1 over 8. And that's how we do this kind of problem. So first one we got 81, second one we got minus 81, the third one we got 1 over 81, and the fourth one we got 25, and the fifth one we got 9 over 4, and then the last one we got 1 over 8. And that's how we do this kind of problem. That's it for this video.